Hi, I'm Valery Blank with Remax Integrity, and welcome to the Tuesday Tip of the Week. This week I'm focusing on buyers, and you may think that you only have to write a check for the down payment. That's not true. There are a lot of hidden costs that go with buying a home. A good rule of thumb is to take approximately 2% to 5% of the price of the home, and that estimate will cover most of your closing costs, not your down payment. So an example is, in Houston, the average home price is $350,000 now, and if you do 2 to 5%, that is $7,500 to $17,500 in closing costs. What does that include? That includes your appraisal, your lender fees, your title fees, your inspections, which are absolutely non-negotiable. You have to do that to protect yourself and know what you're signing up for, and your property insurance and your prepaid taxes and insurance payments. You may also have an HOA cost as well, and that's very normal to pay a prorated rate for the HOA. And if you're in a master plan community, which there are a lot of perks for, they also charge a cap fee, a one-time closing fee, that can be 0.5 or 1% of the sales price, and typically the buyer pays for that in addition. That does not include your down payment. And another good rule of thumb, the first time you buy a home, you need to budget about 1% per year in maintenance fees and repair fees. So again, if you're buying a $350,000 home, prepare to pay about $3,500 a year between maintenance and repairs. Hopefully your realtor negotiates a home warranty for you, and that will be more minimized. And none of these expenses should be a surprise. If you're working with a seasoned realtor with a lot of experience, they will prepare all of this ahead of time and get you an estimate on what your closing costs are going to look like before you ever submit an offer. And if they don't, that's a concern and a red flag to you. Also, be prepared to pay the inspections and sometimes the appraisal up front before closing, and the rest of it should be folded into your closing costs. So if you would like me to run numbers, then text after this message to cost, and we can prepare an estimate for you that I always share with my buyers. Good luck to you, and no obligation. I would love to help you and answer any questions you have so that you are prepared for a good decision. I'm Valery Blank with Remax Integrity. Thank you so much for visiting Tuesday Tip of the Week.